Hi guys, so we just got to our new apartment. We're all exhausted, but I just wanted to quickly show you around our new apartment while it is fresh. So this is the door here. This is the entrance. Right, to the right we have a bathroom and a toilet. To the left, this is our new kitchen. And there's a fridge, 2 sinks, a coffee machine, a stainless steel electric kettle, a rice cooker, a pot, a microwave, some knives, a toaster, and a wok with some utensils. This is where we can hang up some clothes. There's a laundry place there. This is a room for cleaning stuff, I guess. We come in here, there's a water machine. We've got this nice new table arrangement with some pots and some cutlery. To the left, we've got a set of chairs. We've got a TV. This is a balcony. Then we go inside. This is bedroom number 1. I think this is going to be Ella's bedroom. Another toilet and a shower, so that's number 2. This is Molly and Milo's bedroom. I think we're going to add an extra bed in here. And then this is the master bedroom. Comes with an ensuite bath and a toilet and a sink. This is our bedroom, our bed here. And then look at this view, guys. Look at it. I'm just amazed. And then we've got another balcony here. So we've got like 2 balconies with like amazing views of Cambodia, Phnom Penh. I'm just in awe. I'm just in a state of disbelief.
Alright, so we just found somebody, or I just noticed that there was somebody, so I'm using my camera to see if I can zoom up. It looks like there's a person like right there, and there is.